How to add multiple accounts on TikTok. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the TikTok app on your device. Make sure you are signed in, and now go ahead and tap on your profile option on the bottom right of your screen and further tap on your name drop down on the top of your screen. You will then see the option for add account. Tap on that. Or you can also tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen and then tap on the settings and privacy option. Now scroll down to the bottom and tap on the switch account option. Either way, you will be led to the same interface. You can now sign up using your phone or email. You can also sign in using your Facebook account, Apple account, or Google account. You can also tap on the login button in order to log in using an existing account. So, this is how you can add multiple accounts on TikTok. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.